जब आपने आपकी मंजिल और रास्ता खुद चुना हो और रास्ते में मज़ा भी आ रहा हो, तो दूसरों की सक्सेस से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। With this powerful learning about not competing with others and losing your focus, Jeetu Bhaiya is back again to guide students from Kota and make sure that Vaibhav and gang survive their journey of cracking IIT Mains and IIT Advanced. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Popcorn and Perspectives with your host Swati Kulkarni. Kota Factory Season 3 starts from the same point where we saw Season 2 end. Jeetu Bhaiya is struggling now with a crippling guilt he has been experiencing because of something that happened in the finale of Season 2. While Vaibhav is experiencing doubt about his selection of career, his future, and his overall journey. A focus on mental health is highlighted in a good way from the beginning of this season. Additionally, one of the obstacles faced by all the therapists has been shown here as well. Once the client starts feeling that he has started his journey to normalcy, he feels that there is no need to therapy, which is far from the truth. As therapy is needed till the time one feels confident that if there is a similar situation in future, he or she is able to handle the same more effectively. However, as a mental health professional, I would say that this aspect could have been shown in a clear way because a therapist would never force his or her opinion on a client under the pretense of therapy. Anyway, let's go ahead with the review of the series Kota Factory. There are few new characters introduced in this series, although these characters had been mentioned earlier in some or the other way, as in a phone call or just a mention by the main characters, etc. A face and a personality to these characters in season 3 is a wonderful addition to this family of future engineers. From first episode, this season proves to be stronger, more damdar and more impactful. We are finally seeing Vaibhav and gang gearing up for the exam that they have been preparing from past 2 years. This exam is going to be the one to open up new pathways in their life. Each episode in this season is really different than the previous 2 seasons. It's more mature in every sense. The dialogue delivery, the character arc, personality shifts, struggles, and emotional journey of each character is shown very, very beautifully. Every person in this season is going through a transformation, and whether this transformation is happy, fruitful, or frustrating, or tearful, is something to be experienced directly. Jeetu Bhaiya is different than previous 2 seasons. His emotional journey is shown in a way where we can relate with each thought he is having, each painful memory he is experiencing, and the weight he has been carrying since the time he decided to be Jeetu Bhaiya instead of Jeetu Sir to the students from Kota. Few of the scenes where his emotional journey is shown are very well written and portrayed as well. One clear example could be of the mold in his home, which has been cleverly used as a metaphor for his mental health, his guilt, the heaviness in his heart that he has been carrying throughout from season 2 and struggling to move on in season 3. Kota Factory is for those who have gone through such extensive and intense exam preparations. This series is for those who have stayed and experienced hostel or PG life at some point in their life. This series is for those who have tried to prove something to themselves. I would 100% recommend this series to be watched as it reminds us the life we have had as a student. Additionally, somehow, this series gives us all sort of life lessons that could be applied to any life situations. One example of the top of my head would be the one when Jeetu Bhaiya says to students, ये word use करना बंद करो, सपना. एम बोलना शुरू करो. सपने देखे जाते हैं, एम अचीव किए जाते हैं. Even after you watch this series, every moment, every dialogue stays with you, gives you some or the other learning, and for which I would definitely recommend everyone to watch this series with all 3 seasons at least once. Comment your favorite dialogue from Kota Factory. रिव्यू थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया, but please comment whatever your opinion of this series is. I'll see you guys very soon with another review of movies and web series only on Popcorn and Perspectives.